Welcome back to our Ultimate Fast API series. And this video is a continuation of our previous user management video. If you haven't checked that out, please do look at that. We'll continue that. This is a part two. This is going to be a short one where I'll just tell you some update operation where you can update some field of the user and just to see how any route should take a token, and we should verify the token first, then only we should proceed with the request. So what we'll do is we'll try to update our email of the user, right? So what I'll do is I'll just take one route app dot suppose put, and which is going to take my users slash username, and this is going to be our usernames and async def update user. Now this is going to take our username first, which is a path param, and after that we'll take a user body, right? So we'll need to create a schema for user update, and let's just take it from what all we can update. I guess we'll just update our, maybe let's suppose for now we don't have too many of fields. We'll just take it as email, that user can update it email anytime, though it doesn't seem to be nice, but I just want to show you as an example. Email str, right? It can have multiple fields like name, profile picture, and all stuff. And so this will take our schemas. I'll have to import it. User update. So this is going to be my user update, and DB, of course, session depends on get DB. Yeah. And now what we can do is first of all we'll also take the token. I forgot that token needs to be taken, and if we have the token we can skip the username as well, but suppose we'll take it for now. Token, which is going to be our string, and this one is user has to pass manually, which front end needs to take care of, so we'll not worry about that. So first of all what we'll do is we'll verify the token. So we'll get db user and service dot get current user, which will get the user from the token. Now we'll check if not db user. If the db user doesn't exist, the token is invalid. Or suppose the db user dot username, just we'll do a cross check once more. Db user dot username is not equal to our username. Then what we'll do, we'll raise one http exception, and we'll give in the status code as status dot forbidden 403, and detail uh, you are not authorized, sorry for the spelling, authorized to update this user. Simple. So we'll do something like that. And now suppose I have got uh, the user is there and the token is valid. So what I can do is I can create one service function for update. Async def update user db session it will take, and it will take one user, and schema user update. I'll have to user update and user update. And so what we'll do is first of all we'll need to find the user, or what we can do is we can even send the user as well then and there. Instead of finding that user, I'll just pass in. So what I'll do is user update and db user, and db user is going to be our it's going to be a I'll just import it from my models user model. It's going to be a user model. Yeah, I've already imported it. Yeah, so this is our actual model, and this we need to update from, right? So now what I'll do is I'll just simply take in like db user dot, currently we only have the email that can be updated, so user update dot email, that's it. And if the email is not provided, or user update, or it will be the same one, like that. Simple. and we'll just need to do one thing. We'll just need to do db dot. If I'm not wrong, we'll need to save. Okay, now save is not available. We can just directly do db dot commit, and we can also do db dot refresh. What refresh will do, I'll just tell you now. Yeah, so I've changed this field, and I need not do db dot add. db.add will add another user, and that will create some conflict as the same email is used or same username is used. We can just update this field, and once the field is updated, we for just saving it, we can do db.commit. And for db.refresh, what it will do is it will close this database session, and it will again make the select query and get this db user with the updated email, right? So what I'll do is I'll just do um, the db user is await service dot update user, which will take db and my db user and also the user to update, right? And once this is done, what we can do is we'll pass in no content. Status code would be our status dot 204 no content as it is updated. Yeah, this one, or I can simply do it like the, okay, let it be for now. Yeah, we are not returning anything. So I'll just try to run this and uvcon app reload. Okay, let's just check this. First of all, let's get the profile of the current user. Okay, we'll need to get the token. I think it was Mohan, right? Sorry, and we'll just copy it. Okay, we have copied the token, and then we can get the profile. Okay, response body we have got, and let's just check the email. Email is mohan@gmail.com. And now what I'll do, I'll just try it out. Username is Mohan. I'll just put in token, and I'll just check Mohan at hotmail.com. And 500 internal server error. We'll just check. Okay, have been okay. We have not awaited this. Our fault. We'll just run it again, and boom, it is updated. Now just to check whether or not it has updated, we'll see once. Yeah, at hotmail.com. So this way you can update some field, and if I try to with some different, I'll put in the right token, but username is different. You're not authorized. Or suppose I'll give in Mohan, but I'll give some wrong token. Again, you're not authorized. So that's how we can play some update operations. And before every operation, every route, they have to verify this token. They have to verify the user. Then only they should proceed for the request. And there was one thing that we were missing in the last video that was left. I'll continue over that. Yeah, the expires. Expires, as I was thinking that it should be date time, but I got to know when this was encoded, they converted into integer timestamp. So I had to get the date time from the timestamp, and then we can compare it like that. So that's it for this video. We'll see part 3 of this user management with how we can reset the password of the user. Thank you.